300 Ghanaians boarded a plane back to Ghana today, and out of the 300, only 10 were legal. So it means 290 of them were illegal. That on its own should tell you, when it comes to ratios, the percentage of illegal immigrants that we have in South Africa. This is the song we have been singing all along, and people have been gaslighting us, calling us names, calling us xenophobic when we are saying there is a crisis in the country. The whole situation has always been about documentation, and people have been taking this story and making it about something else. When you look at some of the characters, you realize why they failed in marriage, because they are not good listeners. They go all over the place where they can't even deal with the subject at hand. You realize that even in their marriages, when they argued, they were all over the place. And that's why I continue to say, people that reason like this, some of them have to be someone's husband, some of them have to be someone's wife. And then when you realize, right, you can't stick to a subject. You go all over the place. Could your wife, Harry, I don't like it when you come late. No, Mara, you don't cook for me. You don't want what. Hey, the kids, this. I don't like it when you come back home late. No, Mara, men don't get respected. Men are not supported. I don't like it when you come back home late. You can't stick to the subject. And that's why some of you little nyalo little shoots. Oba when but barasi bango the paragraph mo Facebook. Check or mchita mos naro hlupa ke linyalo sning. No wonder ka tshonu dula ko linyalo, because reasoning capacity ya kao I reasoning like moto oka dulang linyalo. The whole issue here has always been about documentation. You go all over the place talking about everything else except for documentation. Listening is a skill. Sticking to the subject. When you argue about something, you listen and you respond to what is being said. Don't go telling us about things we never mentioned. And this plane going to Ghana showed you the crisis we are dealing with. Guys, when there's a budget speech, the Minister of Finance gives a budget speech, they are talking about a budget that fits people that have been documented. The budget goes according to, we've got these amount of people that are documented, so this is the budget that we have for these people. So when you're gonna come here and only 10% of you are documented, 90% is not documented, how are we going to function as a country? But these ones that write paragraphs and call us names don't understand that aspect. And this is what we've been raising and crying about on social media, even marching on the streets. Those 290 Ghanaians don't have rare skills. They were just here to enjoy our economy. When a Ghanaian who's not documented comes and does the business that I do as a business person, I'm not a 95 person, and we sell the same amount of units, I have to pay tax, he does not have to pay tax. And that's why we find them in the most expensive estates of this country. Guys, if I make 100,000, do you know how much tax I pay? And then you find the very same person who does what I do, making 100,000 clean. And then they are the ones who call us useless, and we are South African men who don't even have money. When people just enter our country and just enjoy our economy while we are watching. This is what we've been talking about for the past 6 months now. We would like to congratulate the president of Ghana for hearing our cry as a people and taking action and understanding that it is love through and through. It is just people that want a functional country. It's got nothing to do with hate or xenophobia. So we thank and salute the president of Ghana for doing what he did, and obviously we are happy that he's helping those brothers of ours who went back to Ghana to stand on their feet when they get there, because the last thing that we need is for them to get to those countries and struggle. And that's why we're calling on to every African leader to call its people back and assist these people. They've got enough money and capacity to do that. Let's not be fooled by these governments and presidents. We are not saying people must go and suffer. We don't care. We want these leaders to take accountability and help their citizens.
What we found is that of the 300, only 10 of them are legal in the country. So quite a number of them is in non-compliance to our Immigration Act. And as I indicated, we'll make sure that certain enforcement actions are implemented. We found that many of them did not comply with the South African immigration legislation, and there are certain transgressions found, and therefore we obviously will have to make sure that certain sanctions enforced. But I think what's important is that the collaboration with the Ghanaian embassy and ourselves to make sure that we have the numbers that they indicated they have, bring them here to the airport, and to make sure that the processes are followed here as well.
Yanda sehlalani phansi ke sanhlanu phansi wethu waze wasenzela iqiniso urhulumente waseGhana bantasi. Waze wasenzela iqiniso urhulumente waseGhana bantasi namhlanje OR Tambo International Airport bekuthe kuvalwe ngezayizayi emnyango bantase kuthiwa akho terminal ibingagcwelanga ngabantu baseGhana bantase besithi bayagoduka besithi thina siyagoduka urhulumente wethu uthe uzosithatha. Niyakhumbula mos into lokubana ndanibalisela ndathi into lokubana uthi urhulumente waseGhana uzabathatha nga-300 so i-300 yokuqala ke bantase ibinamhlanje. Yaqonda anyani bafika ekufikeni kwabo urhulumente waseGhana ke ngoku norhulumente wase-South Africa basebenzisana into lokubana aba baseGhana bacheck into lokubana lo mntu ngumntu waseGhana nanyanyani okanye liqhophololo lomntu. Yaqonda then wase-South Africa acheke yena urhulumente into lokubana kanye lo mntu ebelapha eSouth Africa anjani ufike njani efike nini kusenzeka ntoni bantase. Anyani baya kulaa queue ke ngoku uqueue yaseGhana bayo-verify citizenship yabo yaseGhana. Xa befika banikeza impepha anyani tshekishe laa mntu waseGhana athi xansi hayi nyani ngwaseGhana lo amdlulisele kulo wase-South Africa. Lo wase-South Africa athi hayi man kudalo lapha thamye kudala ndilapha kuthiwa unexesha lingakanani lapha fondini. Hayi 15 years oko wawungene nge-visitors visa oko wawungene ukuzovisita ne-15 years ngoku lapha. Uthuke lo mntu wase-South Africa lo uprocessor base-South Africa kanti hayi bantase ngamaqalela lawo ngamaqalela wabatshekisha bantase bonke boyi-300 kula 300 i-290 yonke bantase asiyazi into nokubana isahlelele ntoni apha. Abanazi documents ezibonakalayo bantase abanye oko babengene ngendlela right but ba-overstaya abanye bangiki abaziwa noba bangene njani in fact abanye abake mhlawumbi andiyazi noba nqumla lento zini into le emlanjeni noba banqumle emlanjeni baxwayana banqumle emlanjeni bazongena apha eSouth Africa abaziwa into nokubana bafike njani apha. 290 of them ii-documents zabo azikho fandiwani. Only 10 abapasile i-test into yokubana ewe ndingwaseGhana ewe ndise-South Africa legally but ngoku ndifuna ugoduka. Only 10. And ke ngoku urhulumente waseGhana uthi no ndizawuphinda ndibuye ndizothatha enye 300 yam. Bantase nto ababamba isandla yathi it was good doing business with you. It was good doing business with you. Ndiyabahlonipha abantu baseGhana sukela namhlanje yinto le nto iNigeria engasobi ingakho ifunde kwezinto zinhle zenziwa zezinye iicountry. Kifunde oPakistan bakhe bafunde bakhe babone Ethiopia bakhe babone into lokubana ezinye iicountry zenza ntoni ngabantu bazo. Ndisho uCupcake nathi angasilanda xa sinogxothwa eSouth Korea. Xa sinogxothwa eSouth Korea I'm sure angasilanda. Thini hayibo abantu bade bagxothwe bathi abayindawo intoni loo nto bantase sana and nina sinijongile nina fikile mbalula. And sana ndifuna ukuthi into nokubana sizayenza ibonakale indawo esime kuyo xa kufikelele ixesha lovota. Yabo nanku November sabe sivota kwezi zibhedlele neekliniki zethu sivota. Ndifuna into nokubana ngoNovember sinibonise into nokubana guys liphelile lo xesha benicimba fanele xa kuthetha nina i-country yama ithi ngqi. Phelile lo xesha fixa phelile lizongibanga razzmatazz liphelile lo xesha nani nina mbuyiseni indlozi. Phelile lo xesha guys phelile lo xesha lethu ngoku eli into nobana country yethu sithathe sibeke apha ezandleni zethu. If abantu abayi-300 290 of them bafike nje apha ngendlela engaqondakaliyo, nifune sithule nisixelele into nobana hey ku-incite violence kwathini. Oh bantase akuzubulawa mntu qha abantu bazawuhamba one way or the other. Abantu bazawuzihambela one way or the other. Yinto endithethayo kuni leyo. Sinijongile, siyayibona le nto nizama uyenza. Naqhela man guys, yazi i-politicians like zaqhela into nokubana it's either ngabo or the highway. Hayi ningasitouch kule game. Sazi into thina ngepolitics. Into esiyaziyo into nokubana apha sihleli nee-graduates ezingaphangeliyo. Abantwana basemagwethu noba bayazama, umuntu uyahamba ufuna uhamba ayothengisa izinto phaa, iibhizinesi zigcwele, bayathakathwa kwezi stand. Abantwana basemakwethu ndinixelele ke mna ke into beningayazi because nina nifumana imali oko ndazala ufikile Mbalula eminister. Oko ndazalwa andikhumbula ufikile Mbalula engeyominister, andikhumbuli nakulaa reshuffle kaZuma wayemane esinta. Nakulaa reshuffle kaMsholozi wayemane esinda emane ephuma i-minister yento ethile, ngomso abuya iminister yento ethile. Guys, can you mean in fact retire because sizanima apha niza kusifila and ke ngoku niza kusifila Westcon xa siyobekwe ex bethu phaa. Ni-understand into yokubana into ethethwa ngumntu ngomlomo wakhe makayibali ngoku. Wabaleni ngoku amazwi xa nithetha nathi ngoku. Yayiva loo nto? Wabaleni and abantu asesibathi Jeff sibajonge bonke aba bathetha izinto ezininzi, singabali bali xa siyovota. Never.